Demystifying the ELK Stack, a comprehensive overview. ELK stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Elasticsearch is a search and analytics engine for all kinds of data. Elasticsearch offers near real-time analytics and search. Elasticsearch can effectively store and index your data in a way that facilitates quick searches, regardless of whether it is text, numeric, or geospatial. To find trends and patterns in your data, you may do much more than just retrieve it and compile it. Furthermore, Elasticsearch's distributed architecture allows your deployment to expand effortlessly in tandem with your data and query volume as it grows. Logstash is a server-side data processing pipeline that ingests data collected from multiple sources, transforms it, and sends it to Elasticsearch. Kibana is a visualization software that allows users to visualize data with charts and graphs in Elasticsearch. ELK Stack provides the users with the ability to aggregate logs from all connected systems, servers, and applications, analyze them, and later create visualizations from the collected data for application and infrastructure monitoring, simple troubleshooting, and security analytics. Subscribe, like, share,